welcome to my kitchen with an accent. Let's cook the most popular French sauce, Béchamel. This silky smooth and creamy white sauce is really universal. We will use it in plenty of recipes, some of which are already on my channel. Ingredients for the Béchamel sauce are very simple: milk, all-purpose flour, unsalted butter, ground nutmeg and salt. Start by bringing 700 ml of milk almost to the boil. At the same time, melt 40 grams of unsalted butter in another saucepan with thick bottom. Once butter is melted, add 40 grams of all-purpose flour and stir it to smooth. By this time, milk has become hot, and now it's time to add milk to the mixture of butter and flour. I'm doing it gradually by 2 or 3 tablespoons and stirring the mixture after every addition in order to get rid of all the lumps. I've already added about half of the milk, and now I'm gonna season my bechamel with ground nutmeg. You may also add salt at this moment, but I forgot about it, so I had to salt my sauce at the very end. So continue adding the rest of the milk and don't stop whisking your sauce. When you added all the milk, season the sauce with salt if you haven't done it yet like me, and then either pour bechamel into a container, let it cool down and use when you need, or use it immediately. I'm personally gonna use the gorgeous sauce for my vegetable lasagna, the recipe of which will be very soon on my channel. Cook this perfect bechamel sauce, make your comments and subscribe to my channel. Приятного аппетита!